You thought Notion and Anki were enough? Actually, we're just getting started. These 4 underrated apps can turn your scattered 2-hour study session into 40 minutes of laser focus. And number 3, it's what med students secretly use to remember everything. Let's get straight into it. This is part 2 of 4 apps that'll maximize your study routine. Tools I wish I had in school. Let's not waste time. First, stay focused. Your phone isn't just a distraction, it's a productivity killer. Stay focused lets you block apps, set usage limits, and even schedule study modes. Once you turn it on, Instagram, YouTube, and games vanish until your session ends. No self-control? No problem. This app becomes your digital guardian. Students who use app blockers report up to 80% better focus in study sessions. Second, Tide. It's like Forest, but with better sounds. Waves, rain, or a campfire. It literally calms your nervous system while studying. One session with this, and you'll enter deep work mode without even trying. Third, RemNote. Ever wanted to combine your notes and flashcards? This does both. It's like Anki and Notion had a baby with Einstein's memory. Perfect for science, coding, or competitive exams. Used by med school toppers to master complex info. And finally, Regain. Feeling mentally scattered before study sessions? Regain helps you reset. It guides you through quick breathing exercises and focused rituals to clear brain fog. Think of it as mental hygiene before diving into deep work. Use it for 5 minutes and suddenly your mind is sharp, calm, and ready to grind. Bonus, don't just download these, stack them. Stay focused plus Tide equals full focus. RemNote plus Regain, you'll absorb and retain info like a machine. And brother, don't be another guy stuck scrolling while your exam date's getting closer. Use the tools, use your brain, and trust me, you're capable of more than you think. If this helped, drop a comment with your favorite app, smash that like button, and I'll see you in part 3. Only if you're serious.